MackinVIA is our school library's portal to all digital content, including eBooks, databases, audiobooks, videos, and school-related links. To access MackinVIA, start by going to our school's homepage. Click on the Quick Links link and scroll down until you see the MackinVIA icon. Students in grades 3 through 5 can sign in using their DoDEA Google account. Students in kindergarten through 2nd grade sign in using their standard name and a password that I will communicate to the teachers. Once you log in, you can explore our collection of over 2,000 eBooks by clicking on the eBooks tab. You can browse for something that looks interesting, or you can narrow down your results by searching for a particular topic or title. Once you see something interesting that you'd like to read, put your mouse on the cover of the book and then click on Open Now. This will launch the MackinVIA Reader, and you'll be able to click through the pages of the book, reading the text. You can also change some of the features of the book. For instance, you can either see a 2-page spread or just see 1 page at a time. You can also update the size of the text to make it easier to read. You can also decide what the brightness of the text, the background, depending on what you'd like in terms of readability. You can even change the font of the text. Some MackinVIA ebooks have a Read to Me feature. You can see this with the play icon. I do have to warn you, the voice is somewhat computerized sounding, but you can select what kind of reader you'd like.
Listen close. Cutlery. Red-winged blackbirds raised by.
One other useful feature of the MackinVIA Reader is that you can highlight text, choose a different color for the highlighting. You can also write notes about things that you've highlighted. And everything you write and highlight will be saved in your notebook, which you can access right from here. You can also click on a particular word and look it up or search for it within the book, or you can get a definition and pronunciation of a particular word. Back in MackinVIA, there are a couple other interesting features that you might like to use. For instance, you can check out books that you would like to have available to you at all times, or even be able to download them. You can also create a list of favorite books by clicking on the heart. And if you click on the eye, you'll get more information about the particular book. So here I can add to favorites, I can check out the book, I can even cite things. Okay. When I look up at my account here with my little icon, I can get to my favorites, I can get to anything I've saved in my notebook, I can look at my checkouts, I can even look at my requests, which I can make whenever a book has been checked out by someone else. One other great way to search for ebooks you might enjoy reading is to check out the Groups tab. These are lists that I've put together that I thought you might enjoy about various topics. You can also browse by looking at the categories. These are some really good categories of books that you might enjoy exploring.